Hello, hi, नमस्कार. कार्मेल किरणाचे अनबॉक्स विथ डाईस म्हणले कार्यक्रम विक्षण करच्या सर्व मोगाच्या मुझे खालते प्रणाम. हांव वेन्सिटा डाईस तुमचे समोर. आज म्हाका भोव कशी भोगता कित्याक म्हळ्यार आज आमचे मदेगत एक मल्टी टॅलेंटेड पर्सनॅलिटी एक युवती हजर आसा. Currently she is pursuing her second PU in St. Aloysius College. 4 वर्षांच्या प्रायर ताणे त्याचे स्विमिंग करियर आरंभ केले. And now she is a swimming superstar. ल्हानपणारच स्टेट लेवल हांतार बहुमान आपणावन ताणे जीक आपलेल्या. तितलेंच न्ही मोगाचें न्हू, she has been more than 5 times to national levels. She is the daughter of Dhananjaya Shetty and Gayatri Shetty, and I feel so proud to meet such a great personality. आणि हे टॅलेंटवंत युवती जावन आसा सानिया डी शेट्टी. ಹಾಯ್ ಸಾನಿಯಾ.
ಹಾಯ್,
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಆ ಹಾರ್ಟಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು born, about your family and all?
Myself Sanya D. Shetty. I am currently studying in St. Aloysius PU College, 2nd PUC. My father's name is Dhananjaya R. Shetty. My mother's name is Gayatri D. Shetty. And I have a younger sibling. And I live in a joint family with my grandparents.
Okay. So at what age did you start your swimming career?
I started my swimming at the age of 4. I have completed 13 years in the swimming career. And it's continuing.
Wow, congratulations, Sanya. So, who helped you to realize your potential? Like, you have done so much of swimming, and so who helped you to realize? There are many other activities also, like dancing and all.
Yeah.
But about swimming, how do you understand you're so good at that?
Firstly, my parents, mostly my dad, because he used to take interest more than me. Then my coaches, Mangala Swimming Club.
So your dad is a great supporter, right?
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations to your dad, your parents, and your family also. So in India, not a lot of people know swimming.
Yeah.
So what are difficulties you faced while swimming and all?
Firstly, there is no swimming pool allotted for us. We are swimming in a government pool. We don't have sufficient time to practice. We get only 1 hour or 2 hours. It's not sufficient for us. As a coastal belt, there are more talented people who like swimming, but there are many pools in Mangalore to swim, so it's very difficult.
I hope and I pray that all these difficulties will be solved in the future. You have achieved a lot in your swimming career. You have been to number of places, you have achieved number of medals. So can you please tell us all about these things, what and all you have achieved and just...
When I was in 6th standard, I was first selected for nationals, which was held in Gujarat. I came 9th place in nationals.
Wow.
In 7th standard, in states I won 5 gold medals. And I was selected for Karnataka relay team and my individual events. In that I have been in finals. I came 8th. In 8th it was in Gujarat again.
Okay.
I was selected only for one event in 8th. That was my first national medal in Gujarat.
Okay, wow.
I won silver medal. From Mangalore, after 15 years, we won a national medal in women event. In ninth, I won five state medals in Bangalore, and I was selected for Delhi.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah. Then in 10th, I won one national gold medal in Karnataka relay team. And in first PU, I was selected for nationals, but I was selected for finals. I came 8th push. In first PUC, I went to Rescue India national level life saving. I won 14 medals, national medals. It was held in Diu and Daman, Gujarat. This year we had international, but due to pandemic, we did not. It was cancelled due to pandemic. We have gone to open water swimming also, national level. It was held in Malpe, Goa, and I have won prizes in there also. I have 15 national medals and more than 50 state medals.
Wow, congratulations, Sanya. So tell me your experience while swimming.
It's very hard, but it's fun. It causes injuries, and we should be in diet.
Okay.
And if we miss practice, we should miss our timing also. 1 second also it matters more. So
you all
we
have to
it's
maintain
very hard.
yourself.
It's very hard. We should motivate ourselves, and parents, coaches, if they will motivate us, so we'll be.
Okay, Sanya. So who is your inspiration for all this?
My inspiration is my dad and my mom also. My dad is a cricketer, and because of that I got inspirational to swimming. And my mom used to drop me more often. When she was pregnant also, I used to sleep in bus. She used to carry me and come here. Very difficult.
Yeah.
Then I have inspirational my coach, late Ravish Virab and Shivananda Gatti and Lokraj sir, and now present coach Shishir Gatti.
I am Sanya's coach. My name is Shishir, and I was before I started coaching her, I was swimming with her because she joined in a smaller age, and that time we were like seniors swimmers who were swimming with her. Now I am presently coaching her because there are no more swimming coaches here in Bangalore. So we are training her for the further events. And she was not so good swimmer as when she was small. She used to just come to play and then enjoy swimming. But then later on, after she came to like 6th or 7th, she started showing some interest on swimming, and then she developed the sports, and she got more interest in swimming. She secured many medals for our club and as well as Bangalore and even Karnataka. She has represented, and she was the first woman who bought medal for Bangalore after like 16 years of the swimming history. So it is nice to see her growing now. It is very nice that people are showing some interest on swimming as much, like the sport is getting developed now. I wish all the very best for Sanya for her future. Let her get more medals for India as well as our state.
So I congratulate all of the people who have supported you a lot and you have reached this level. So especially your father, your mother, as you told your mother when she was pregnant, you were sleeping on the bus. Like you have worked hard a lot.
Yeah.
So because of your hard work, you have become successful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sani, if we speak on like this, right, even you will feel bored, and the people who are watching this show will also feel bored.
Yeah.
So let's play a small game. It's an opinion game. I will ask you some questions. You have to give your opinion on that. So your first question is, if you would get a chance to go anywhere in this world,
Yeah.
where would you go?
I'd go to USA.
USA.
Yeah.
Like
Because their swimming is like top level swimming trainers.
okay. So
Yeah.
even you would be on that
Yeah.
level, right? Okay. So what is that one thing that annoys you the most? that irritates you the most? You hate that thing. What is that one thing?
Pain. Wait, pain.
Pain.
Yeah, like after practice,
Okay.
pains.
It pains it.
Yeah.
Okay. If you get a chance to meet a Prime Minister of India, so what did you speak to him if you'd meet when you'd meet him?
Like swimming is also more important like other sports. When we should encourage swimming,
That he should encourage
Yeah.
more swimming and
because swimming is like other sports, at least it's better than
they give
Yeah,
more time
yeah.
for that. Okay.
so swimming. It's not even
Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah. So next question is, when you meet a person,
yeah.
a random person, what is the first thing you observe in them?
Just I check the attitude.
You check their attitude.
Yeah.
If they've got lots of attitude, you don't keep friendship with them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your name is Sanya, right?
Yeah.
If you choose a nickname for yourself, what would you choose?
My dad and mom calls me at home, like my nickname at home it's Shana and Shanu.
Shana and Shanu.
Shanu, yeah.
Anything. Mom calls Shana, dad calls Shanu.
No, it's reverse.
Dad
Yeah.
calls Shanu,
Shanu,
mom calls.
yeah.
Okay, like. So what compliment does people give you the most?
The people, like outside people, say that you have achieved more, but I feel like no, I have not achieved more. So
You will achieve more in
Yeah.
your future. You
Yeah.
have lots. Okay.
yeah.
So if you had access to a time machine, where and when you would go?
I would go like I'd be in present only.
Why?
Present is more beautiful.
Okay. Your present is more
Yeah.
beautiful. Which is the song you often hear while you're happy or anything?
Listen to all the songs.
All the songs.
Yeah.
Any one name of the song you tell?
Most I listen to Hindi songs.
Hindi song.
Yeah.
Even my favorite. What is your lifelong dream?
Lifelong dream. I want to go to Indian Navy.
Wow.
Indian Navy, which is my dad's dream. So I want to fulfill that.
You will. Which is your favorite subject in college? You have taken science, right?
Yeah,
PCMS.
I like maths.
Maths?
Yeah, I like maths.
I hate maths.
I like maths. Then stats is easy.
Stats, okay.
Yeah.
So
I hate
physics and
kids.
chemistry?
Chemistry.
don't like-
Yeah.
Chemistry?
Physics is okay. Chemistry is.
Difficult, okay. So except swimming, what's a hidden talent? Any other talents you have? Any hidden talent?
Yeah, I used to go to more classes. Like one of them is swimming. I used to go for drawing classes, singing classes, dance classes, Yakshagana.
So I
Yeah.
can tell you are an all-rounder, multi-talented person, drawing
All-round.
artist,
Yeah.
singing,
yeah.
dance, and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. What's one of your favorite memories?
When my sister was born, it was the best memory which I cannot even forget.
Okay. What's your sister's name?
Name is Shriya. Yeah.
तर मग चलो नेक्स्ट एपिसोडात आम्ही परत मेळटले only on Carmel Kiran YouTube channel. Stay tuned.